Hey there, Bricksers and Lego friends! What a deal I found today. This was a yard sale haul, and well, the price of this, I couldn't pass it by. Now the lady said there was a few pieces missing, so we're going to see now when we pop it open and see what it is. The box is in pretty darn good shape, and let's just pour it out and see what we got. Oh my gosh! There's the original bags. Oh my god, that is amazing. And yeah, look, bag 4, bag 2, and bag 3. I wonder how many bags there is of this. Bag 1, and the instructions, and some minifigures, which I'll look at in just a second. Bag 2, bag 3, and bag 4. So there's 4 bags. First bag is missing. Let's see what's in the first bag. First bag, the figures and the spider. Well, you know, that's just the way it is sometimes. You got a torso with no hands and no head, so that's okay. We can add the parts to that. This is not a Harry Potter torso. This is, looks like Mr. Business torso. Or, yeah. And a new Chewbacca. That's a brand new Chewbacca. That's pretty cool. Didn't have him. That's pretty cool. And the Harry Potter from the set. So there we go. So we're missing Hermione and Ron, the rat, the dragon, the 2 owls, and Hagrid. But you know what? I got a bunch of them. I have a whole bunch of figures, so I very well might have them. And if not, we'll just source it out. I tell you, this is amazing. Right here. Sealed bags. Sealed bags. And now, the reveal of the price that I paid for this. I paid an amazing, yeah, $15. $15 for this. It's worth a loan for me just to get the sand green and the roof tiles and these other things right here, the corner pieces. You know, if I didn't get anything else, and the door, of course, and if I didn't get anything else, I would have been happy, because those parts are really hard to get, especially the sand green, and get them all from one brick link seller. Try to get that all is near impossible. So, and it was something that I was trying to piece together, and this lady had one and got in touch with me, and you know, she said all I want is $15 for it. So it's like, oh, that's fantastic. Oh my god. And she told me there was pieces missing, but you know, this is incredible to see that this is all bagged up, and there's only one bag missing, and really it's just the figures and the spiders, so that can be easily sourced out, you know. So oh, what a haul. To me, that's like gold. That's a gold haul today. That is 10 stars out of 5. I mean, that is great. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And I will talk to you guys again probably tomorrow or the next day. And God knows what we'll have, but we'll have probably another set of something. So I'll see you then. Bye for now.